When you're starting a new business, the last thing you need is a bank draining your profits with unnecessary fees. In this video, I'm going to share with you what I believe is the best business bank account, one that saves you money, eliminates hassle, and actually works for you. First, let's talk about the most common problems with traditional business banks. Most of them have monthly maintenance fee that eats into your profits every single month. They have a minimum deposit requirements just to keep the account open. There's transaction limits. This one is the worst because if you're making a lot of sales, you will get hit with extra fees. They also require you to sign up in person, which is inconvenient and a waste of time. So if you are an entrepreneur, dealing with these unnecessary obstacles is the last thing you need. And after researching different options, the best solution that I've found is Bluevine, a bank designed for business owners that removes all those headaches. There's no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum deposits, so you can keep more of your money. You get unlimited transactions, so there's no penalties as your business scales. An account can be set up entirely online, so you can get started in minutes and there's no need to visit a physical branch. You get FDIC insurance of up to $3 million, which is 12 times more than the standard coverage most other banks offer. The mobile app is intuitive and user-friendly, so you can manage your money effortlessly. And last but not least, you can earn 2% APY interest on balances up to $250,000. So if you're running a business, Bluevine just makes sense. There's no hidden fees, no transaction limits, just simple, hassle-free business banking built for entrepreneurs. I've used Bluevine for more than 2 years now and have had a great experience, so I highly recommend you to check it out. I've linked it for you in the description below. You can sign up completely online in just a few minutes.